Come back on top the whole level right now, and yeah, so then I see me Dakolo. See me go just sing. Love will just catch you anyhow.
I tell you, man.
Even the person was never really ready for the love, oh, the love will see they catch you. And later when you come enter the OT, your eye can't clear. Say, man, cool, this was love.
They catch me so.
No more like you catch me that time. Based on some people they fall in love for wrong reasons. Nobody enters because of they don't hear one song, Celine Dion just sing, when you look me like this, when you love me like that. It was hungry, the wind, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back. Love that they catch person. When you come, when that song don't come play one day, you can't realize, say, come, I don't love this person. Now that song just go do the thing.
I catch you.
You understand? You know, but any which way, you know, last on top of the whole level, it's still quite important to say any high it be, you must still appreciate God for the things the way, you know, they your life right now. So today, on top of the whole level, we just want to talk about gratitude. Gratitude, and of course, we'll still talk about excellence and all that. You know, say like we talked earlier. Today, our, you know, biggest bros no go fit with us on top of the show, but anyhow it be, the show must go on. All right? We want to talk to you about gratitude and what gratitude be. I know say we don't talk about these things before, but it's very important to say we go, you know, always the resound now for our ear, make everybody, you know, for understand the whole thing very, very much. More often than not, they always, you know, people they spend their times most times they complain about things when they never get, you know. But many times when they too sit down, look back over the things, then you know, think about the things, then way we as people, you know, don't gather for our life and all that. Another reason why we say, okay, fine, you know, stop for a moment, just think, you just reason the whole level. Say, okay, come, the things that don't happen for my life so far, you know, from where they come from to where I did right now. How grateful I did for the things that don't come my life, you know. But before I start all that plenty talk, and going to so many of the talk, we get one video to play for now, and then make us just watch the video, enjoy them, get understanding of what in the video they try to talk about, learn from the video, and then we'll come back, all of us will just, you know, share brain. The small one understands about, say, knack given for house, and make everybody just for, you know, learn a new thing, okay? So more watch the video, and they come back.
When you get grateful for what you have right now, you will soon have more to be grateful for. And it's so true. When you send out those feelings of gratitude, what happens? You become instantaneously happy in this moment. When you're grateful and happy with life as it stands today, so many more things will flow into your life to be happy and grateful for. And the reverse is also true. If you feel like there's nothing to be grateful for, what are you focused on? You're focused on everything you don't want. You're focused on everything you don't have. And what do you then think you will attract into your experience? Exactly, more of what you don't want. Make it your mission to sit down every day and become grateful. Get grateful for the two gifts you have called eyes. Many aren't so lucky. Get grateful for the ears that can hear this music. Get grateful for the person in your life that's made a difference. Get grateful for your tough times because they help develop your strength and spirit. Get grateful for your life. There is so much to be grateful for.
There's something to be said about being appreciative and grateful. You know, whether you're thanking God or life, or whether you're looking to a person in your world and just saying thank you, there's something really special about that. I mean, there's something very real about moments where you can just be by yourself and look at your life and just say thank you. You know, thank you for this gift. Thank you for this ride that I'm on. Thank you for this journey. And a lot of people go through their life without experiencing the beauty of these moments. Your life, although perhaps filled with many imperfections, is still an experience. It's an experience that people in their final moments would do anything just to grasp onto for a little while longer. Can you imagine, as you hear this, there are people who are having their final breaths, taking their final breaths on this planet, looking back at their lives and wishing they could have done more. Meanwhile, we have this experience. We're alive, we're breathing air, our hearts are pumping, our brain is doing billions of operations per second just to keep the game going for us.
We can't find reasons to be grateful for that. We can't, as human beings, be appreciative for that.
There is an entire spectrum of life you are missing out on when you don't take moments to just feel. Just feel! Just create moments of gratitude within yourself, just for the sake of being appreciative, for the sake of being alive. That alone will change your life. That will make you human again. That will disconnect you a little from this game of consumerism and this dog-eat-dog world we've allegedly created. That will disconnect you from the insanity of this society, and it will reconnect you with something greater than yourself. And I don't care what you call it. Call it God, call it the universe, call it life or magic. When you begin to be appreciative for life, there is a certain power that will bring you even more reasons to be appreciative. It's one of life's greatest paradoxes. When you're in a state of needing this and needing that, it doesn't matter how much you acquire, you'll never have enough. But when you can have the courage to be grateful for what you already have, life will bless you with even more. You know, you can decide in this moment to give it up. Give up the complaining, give up the blaming and the accusing, give up the gossiping and the whining, and instead realize you're on an incredible journey and fall in love with every second of it.
That's when you'll truly come to life.
All right. Well, now welcome back, and that's actually the end of the video, and it's basically talk about this issue of gratitude. You know, most of the time, many of us will know the two reason the whole level, you know, because if you look around you, the economy alone will help you save not to think to say thank you for some things the way you get as person, you know, and most of the time, now life they run us, nobody they run life. Another reason why we can talk about this particular issue today, the issue of gratitude. How grateful you'll be as a person for the things that you get, you know, for your life right now. You know, oftentimes, what gratitude will help you do as a person, it will help you focus on the good things rather than on the bad things. And that's what many of us they do most of the times. You know, I no get money, the economy bad, this relationship no they work, and all that. You they focus on the things that want they work. They focus on the evil, you know, the evil way they happen. You they focus on things that were not too good. What gratitude will help you do not to focus on the things that were actually good. You understand? By the time you start to say, okay, thank you, I thank you for this, I thank you for that, I thank you for this, your mind can adjust from the things that want they work into things the way they actually work. And based on what the person talk, and I don't see this thing personally happen, you get this feeling, this good feeling, this great feeling when they come, when you just sit back and they're thankful for some kind things. Many people never to think, you know, because nobody exercise where many of us they really do most of the time. But many people never really, how you they feel most time, the person give you something, you know, and you tell the person, thank you for this thing where you give me. One feeling they come, you know, from inside you as person, where go make you do that thing. You know, there's a feeling when you just say thank you, thank you, thank you. Feeling, this good feeling day where they come from being, you know, grateful for things and when they happen. You don't ever stop for a minute to think about how your life will be, so you don't get eyes to watch the late night show or to watch Ogbolo for TV. You know, you never stop for a minute to think about, instead not get ear. How for they hear some kind of things and way they sweet me. How for they enjoy music with they today. How for know who Wizkid be. How for know which song YC sing. How for know these things. How for they hear jokes to laugh to. You never imagine your life without these things. You never imagine your life without fingers. Most of the time when I pass for road and I see some beggars and when they beg, the reason why they even give them the money sometimes now to thank God for my own life. You understand? When you look and say, okay, fine, I feel never reach where I want to go. I feel never achieve the things that I want to achieve as a person. But I'm not there where I did before. You understand? I'm not really there that level anymore. Okay? So you as persons, but just giving time to say, okay, thank you, God, thank you. You understand? Even aside from God, say, people that will do your life. I know people that when they find friends. Some people don't get. You get the fact that you even get partner. Your partner, you they complain, this one, that. You never stop for a minute to really think about. Thank God, say I even get person to call partner, person to even quarrel with, person to even they drag food with, person to come home to. You understand? Some people their prayer points with that, but you get one. Thank God for that one. You understand? Many things them day where we go need to really thank God for. All right, and it's very important. Say we're supposed to give in time. Giving time to be grateful for things that when they happen around us. Some people say, okay, money no they get it. You never thank God, say war, no they this country.
Very, 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 very good.
You understand?
Yeah.
You know how many countries right now they run up and down. Next thing, bomb don't blow. Bah! Bomb don't blow. They run up and down. Even the small they experience for this country, you know, for some kind places, we know how the feeling they be. Imagine that thing they happen around the full country. How it for be. You know, thank God say your area they peaceful. Thank God say you even get places to go sleep for night. Some people they will not get time. I don't see woman before we don't even get nose. This place. Now just 2 holes in the front. They can't use plaster cover the remaining. Now just small thing they on that till they breathe. You never thank God for these things. Some people fine. You never thank God say you get fine face so people feel even look. Okay, say you know say okay maybe not even try. You never thank God say you get sense to feel coordinate yourself as human being. Yes, so some people they know they're mentally okay.
Yeah,
they don't feel coordinate themselves. They're not fit. You understand? Person must bath them. Person must they feel don't mature, they feel don't bold, they feel don't old, but they still need assistance from person. Some people will not feel breathe normal breathing. They must carry oxygen machine, join body, you know, just so they breathe from there. Stop to the complain. Take a few minutes, even from tonight, if not to do it practically. And I don't see this thing work for me personally, you know. Take sheet of paper, take biro, write down. Just say, I'm grateful for this. I thank God for this. I thank God for that one. Calm down, do them. You go see, say, many things don't happen for your life where you never really appreciate.
Yes.
We never appreciate. Your health. For me, for example, you get one time why they always sick. When are they a bit more younger? But come cool down some days back. I say, come, for the past, say, 5-6 years of my life, I never go hospital, go talk, say, are they sick? Or like before they give me drip. But I never go. So now I need to thank God for say, God, thank you. I want to sick like before again. You understand? You get some years back when I would come work. I didn't maybe this side BRT or this side bus. I would look for the window, they look outside. I say, God, thank you. So I even get lecture, I can't enter here. Later when I come to drive my own motor, I just sit down one day and say, God, thank you, so I even jump bus again. Things they change. You understand? You as person also need to look your own life. What be those things that way you need to thank God for? Some things the way you feel change as person. Some things they will say you as person not forgive yourself. Like breeze where you breathe, air where you breathe. Nobody they give yourself. Thank God for that one. You get leg, thank God for that one. You get toes, you get fingers, you get fingernail. Your fingernail not come up before. May you go know. You will just know. All right? Some people they find partner. You get partner. Thank God. Many things they will need to thank God for. But you as a person, just for a few minutes, just sit back, just say, God, thank you for so and so and so and so and so and so. All right? Do practical stuff. Carry paper, carry biro. Start to write down many things that way they thank God for. And you go see things that happen for your life. You go really see things that happen for your life. All right? So more just match break for here. More not to talk too much. More watch another video. By the time we come back, we'll continue on top the several gist them way we just want gist ourselves. Now still the late night show and I still Ginger Monday.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.